Hi, welcome to another episode of RV Tips and Trips. Today we're going to do the second video on Norcold 2118 series RV refrigerator. In today's episode we're going to go over how to fix the door flap that seals the two doors. So don't go away. Alright, so we have a Norcold 2118 series of RV refrigerator. It works off of 120 volts AC and propane. Problem with these units is after a while, this flap, okay, and this flap, but when you close the door, the flap is supposed to close, and you notice it didn't. Right down it. And so we've been having to pull this forward all the time. So it just does not close. And the reason is these doors with age start to sag a little. And so then there's not much clearance down there. There's a guide up here that's supposed to, right up here, it's supposed to close it. It's got a track for that to ride in, right like that, and it so it pulls on the top, but it's not closing in. So we're going to fix that. The door is sagging. We got some 5/16 inch washers, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a washer down in the bottom hinge. In order to do that, we got to remove the door. So we're going to pop off this cover, and then there's a bolt. We'll loosen that. It's probably going to be a two-person operation, so someone's going to hold the door when you undo the nut that holds the hinge in place. So we already removed all of the trays, the shelves. Anyway, see how that works there, and there's this track here. So this way we don't break anything when we take the door off. Alright, so first thing is to remove the cover from the middle. Right like there, right from the middle. Pulls out. Okay. There's a bolt right up here, and it's slotted too. Alright, so with an adjustable wrench, alright, I know it's kind of difficult to see because the nut is black, but with an adjustable wrench, you loosen this nut. We gotta watch we don't drop the door off here. Alright, so I got the nut off. And Kathy is now holding the door, so now we're going to take this off.
I'll hold it right here.
Okay. So now the door is off the refrigerator. We're going to take a 5/16 washer. Five-sixteenths. Yeah, it's going to take either one or two, depending. So I'm tempted. The door is sagging quite a bit. I think I'd be tempted to put in two. Now you gotta watch. Sometimes there's bushing. There's a bushing right there. That came out on us. We put it back in. So right down there is the hinge. We're gonna put on
5/16 washer.
So we're gonna do. Let's see how thick these are. We'll do two. We're going to put two on there. If it's too high,
Why you stop?
2 washers, I think will do it. You'll have to experiment with it. All right, so I'm going to put the door back on. Just don't drop it. Put this on the bottom hinge. Yeah, you might want to. It's good to have a helper. Put this back up in place. I can feel there's less clearance up there. Put the bolt back in. Okay. Go ahead, try it. Did it close?
Yep.
All right. 2 washers in this situation lifted the door up a little. Gave us a little more clearance on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and just tighten this back up. This is easy peasy. Don't over tighten this. We don't want to strip that bracket.
Keep opening.
All right. Let's give it a whirl. That's what it's supposed to do. Maybe look down there. It works. See, it rides in the track. And now just a matter of reinstalling the cover. It just pops right back on like that, and then you're all done. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And until next time, happy camping. Bye now. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.